Okay, so let's take a look at Solana, the once really unstoppable coin, which kind of, rallied 400% in like less than a month, is now in a very steep correction, right? And if things continue to go like this, it could soon retest the $100 level, right? And as far as I can remember, the last time, yeah, I think it was somewhere around here, right? Solana never really tested the $100 level, the really important, crucial psychological level, right? It just went above it, never tested it, never looked back, just kept on going, hit 200, 216, and now is retracing. Right, so before I actually get into what's happening with Solana, if you like what we do, make sure to follow or subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we post content out every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And if you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangiko with 0 in the end. I post a lot of technical stuff, trades that I'm taking, but sometimes I do post on-chain metrics. So yeah, if you like what I do and have any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. Back to Solana, right? Solana I think probably a while ago when me and Ali put out another video. I'm not sure when though. We expected a retracement down to the $108 level, and it's really close now. It's about to happen. Right. So what's happening? There was this crucial support level, resistance level here at 150. Price bounced off of it twice, maybe even thrice, and then finally breached below it. Felt like it was going to go lower, but then it went higher, formed a double top over here at 170. And since then, it's been bleeding, and finally found support exactly around these candlesticks around 31st August swing open, close of these candles at 124. And right now it's stuck between these two levels, 150 and 124. What's going to happen now, since it broke below the support level at 142, is it's going to keep going lower and retest this level here again at 124, probably wick down and form a double bottom at the swing low of this wick, which comes around 115, and then restart an uptrend. But if you ask me, I would look for the downswing to collect liquidity, right? And over here, there's not a lot of liquidity resting over here. Over here, this level, there's not a lot of liquidity. I would love if Solana came down here, collected the liquidity resting here, right? That would be epic. Let me just mark it out. Right? The market makers wouldn't gain much by coming below here, or at least like forming a double. See, if this happens, the market makers wouldn't. It wouldn't really make sense for Solana to come down here. But if this downtrend extends below here, collects the liquidity resting over here, let me just mark that. Right, this would make a lot more sense because people who were long, like traders who were long around here, their liquidity in the form of sell stops is resting here between somewhere around 98 to 108, right? So it would make a lot more sense for the market to go below the $108 level briefly. I'm not saying it needs to close there, probably a wick down to this level, below this level, and then a resurgence. This would be a good scenario. A scenario where an uptrend that follows this would make a lot more sense and would have a lot more oomph to go higher, right? In that case, I can expect it to at least come up to the $150 level. And if, something like this keeps happening, buyers keep bidding, then you can expect a retest of the $170 level. But yeah, this is really the bearish outlook, the bearish outcome that I'm looking at, and the bullish outlook is after a dip below the $108 level, a retest of 150 or 170, right? So from here, this would be a 40 and a 60% upswing.